Salsa, solo footwork, intermediate level. So let's start with a front double cross. So find your left leg. So we're going to start with the left leg. So we will start with the pointing forward across, pointing side, and now step forward across and put your heel down. And we repeat exactly the same with the other foot. So we point forward across, we point side, and then we step forward. So front double cross looks like this. Point, point, step, point, point, step. And the timing of this figure is, of course, basic salsa timing. We have a point on count 1, side point 2, then step on count 3, and here we hold 4, silent 4. Then we point count 5, point count 6, step across count 7, hold count 8. So let's do a little bit faster. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now, of course, we would like to mention a little bit body actions. Whenever you do something, you want to engage your rib cage and hips. And because it's salsa, you want to have your legs slightly soft and use your body action, use your rib cage and hip to guide that leg. So if we add a little bit hip, which is going to guide that foot, and look like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is a front double cross. So let's do movement number 2. It's called Suzi-Q. So what is Suzi-Q? Again, we're going to start with our left leg. We're going to cross our left leg in front of our right. Then we rock back on our right foot. And then we step on our front foot. So let's do it again. So you go step, rock, step. And we'll do exactly the same on the other foot. Step, rock, step. So this is Suzi-Q. So in our left leg, we're going to do it on the count 1. So go 1. Then we rock back on count 2. Then we rock forward, count 3. Now again, right leg forward. 1. We rock back. 2. We step forward on count 3. So this is Suzi-Q. And here the secret is when you want this leg to cross in front of this one, you want to use massive hip rotation, and in this case it's much easier for this leg to pass through. So use your body actions and with a little bit faster timing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is a Suzi-Q. Let's move to the movement number 3, which is a Uptown Downtown, which is 4 Suzi-Qs stuck together. We go on one side, and then 4 Suzi-Qs we're going to go other side. So Uptown, Downtown. Starting with the left, we're going Suzi-Q number 1, Suzi-Q number 2, Suzi-Q number 3, Suzi-Q number 4. After number 4, we're going to cross our right leg in front of our left. We continue 4 steps other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is exactly the same technique we use as for Suzi-Q. You want to use strong hip rotation and have one side forward, and then another hip rotation, keeping one side forward. So let's do with the timing. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So this is Uptown, Downtown. And the number 4, the last step, is the circular Suzi-Q. So again, we're going to start with our left leg. We're going to go for the regular Suzi-Q. 1, 2, 3. But then we're going to follow our right shoulder to do a slight quarter of a turn. And now in this case, our right leg going to go in front of our left. We go 5, 6, 7. Now keep following your right shoulder to complete the circle. 1, 2, 3. Keep following. 5, 6, 7. So then we complete the full circle. That's why it's called circular Suzi-Q. So let's do it again with the timing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now let's try with the music.